Hello children, today we begin with practice set 6.1, question number 1. Now to do these questions, we'll quickly revise the trigonometric identities that we had learned. The first one, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. The second, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. And third, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Now we are going to use these identities to solve these sums. Question number 1. If sin theta equal to 7 upon 25, find the values of cos theta and tan theta. So we use the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Substitute 7 by 25 because this is the value given for sin theta. Square it plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, cos square theta equal to 1 minus. So when this value comes aside, it's minus. Squaring this, you get 49 by 625. Take the LCM, you have 576 upon 625. Now this is the value for cos square theta. So when I find cos theta, I get the square root of this 576 by 625. Your answer is 24 upon 25. Okay. So we have found cos theta. The next thing to be found out is tan theta. So what we'll do is, since cos theta is 24 upon 25, we know secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, and therefore value of secant theta is 25 upon 24, the reciprocal of cos theta. Now use the identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Substitute the value, square it, take the LCM. You get 49 upon 576. Find the square root to find tan theta. Your answer is 7 upon 24. Now, okay, so we have found out what is cos theta and we have found out what is tan theta. Okay, this is another method to find tan theta. Sin theta, you are given 7 upon 25. Cos theta, we have got 24 upon 25. We know when I divide sin theta by cos theta, I can get tan theta. Therefore, 7 upon 25 divided by 24 by 25. Now, when I write in terms of multiplication, this becomes reciprocal 25 by 24. These two get cancelled. My answer is 7 upon 24. Now, these method is different, but answer remains the same. You can either use this method or you can use this method, whichever you find is easy. It can be used to do this sum. Okay, so this is the method to do this. Next we go to question number 2. Question number 2, if tan theta equal to 3 upon 4, find the value of secant theta and cos theta. So use the identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Substitute the value. Same method. Square it. 9 upon 16. Find the LCM. 25 upon 16. To find secant theta, find the square root. So that's 5 upon 4 equal to secant theta. Okay. Next, to find cos theta, we know the reciprocal of secant theta is cos theta. And therefore, the value of cos theta is 4 upon 5. So we got the values of secant theta and cos theta for the second question. Okay, this is how it's to be done. Question number 3, if cot theta equal to 40 by 9, find the value of cosec theta and sin theta. Use the identity 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So depending upon what is given to you, you have to decide which identity is to be used to solve the sum. So now in place of cot theta, we will substitute the value 40 upon 9, square it. Now when I square, I get this value. Take the LCM, 1681 upon 81 is cosec square theta. Find the square root, your answer is 41 upon 9 equal to cosec theta. Okay, then the next thing is to find sin theta. We know it is the reciprocal of cosec theta. So 1 divided by 41 by 9, or my answer is 9 upon 41. Finally, write down the values what they have asked, both cosec theta and sin theta in this question, and so on follow for all your questions. Okay. Now we go to question number 4. Question number 4 says, if 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta equal to 0, find the values of sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. Now what you do is, 5 sec theta, now this minus 12 cosec theta, take it to the other side of equal to. So it becomes 5 sec theta equal to 12 cosec theta. Sec theta upon cosec theta. That means I am getting this cosec theta below this. It is equal to 12 upon 5. Now what is sec theta? 1 by cos theta divided by, which is this sine. What is cosec theta? 1 by sine theta. So 1 by cos theta divided by 1 by sine theta. How do I do it? 1 by cos theta write as it is. Instead of this division sign, I am going to write the reciprocal. So when into, I write the reciprocal sine theta by 1. This is equal to 12 upon 5. What is sine theta by cos theta? Nothing but tan theta. So I've got tan theta is equal to 12 upon 5. Now what are the things that I need to find out? Sec theta, cos theta and sine theta. So I have got tan theta, use the identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. When I solve this, I get my value of sec theta as 13 upon 5. Now to get cos theta, it is the reciprocal of this. So that's 5 upon 13. Okay. So I have got sec theta, I have got cos theta. Now the third thing which I have to find out is sine theta. So what I'll do is, see, I got tan theta, I got cos theta. I will use this particular formula, sine theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, and I'll find out what is sine theta. Now sine theta upon cos theta is 5 by 13 equal to tan theta is 12 by 5 from here. Okay. Now cross multiply it. Sine theta is 12 by 5 into 5 by 13. 5 and 5 get cancelled. My answer is 12 upon 13. So I've got all the three values. Now write it down properly in the step. What is sec theta, what is cos theta and what is sine theta. Okay. So that's question number 4. We go to question number 5. Your question number 5 is, if tan theta is equal to 1, find the value of sine theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta. It's very simple. If tan theta has to be 1, what is the value of theta? It is 45 degrees because you know tan 45 is 1. Now, since theta is 45 degrees, wherever there is theta, put value 45 degrees. So, sine 45 plus cos 45 upon sec 45 plus cosec 45. Write down the values of all these. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 upon sec 45 is root 2, cosec 45 is root 2. What is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2? 2 times 1 by root 2. So 2 into 1 by root 2 upon what is root 2 plus root 2? 2 root 2. Solve this. 2 into 1, 2 by root 2 divided by, make it multiplication. So when I do multiplication, this becomes reciprocal 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, 2 by root 2 divided by 2 root 2 becomes into 1 by 2 root 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So my answer is half. Okay, so the value of this particular question that they've given is half. Okay, so we have done question numbers 1 to 5 of exercise 6.1. Question number 6 onwards is a different topic, that is prove that. Okay, so this we will be doing it in the next session that I'll be having. So now what you can do is, from your problem set, you have questions 1 to 4 which are based on what we have done. So you will try this out after question number 5 that we have done. So the first question, choose the correct alternative for the following questions. Sine theta into cosec theta, what will be the answer? They are both reciprocal, so your answer will be 1. What is the value of cosec 45? You can find out from the table and select the answer. What is 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta. This is your answer. Okay, question number 4 is not there. This is deleted from your syllabus for this particular year. Okay, so heights and distances will not be there. Next, go to question number 2. If sine theta equal to 11 by 61, find the values of cos theta. You will be able to do this. It's very similar to the question done in our exercise. Question number 3 and 4 are similar. So I'll be doing one question from here. The other one you can try out on your own. So I'll show you how to do this. Question number, problem set 6, question number 3. Tan theta is equal to 2. Okay, you have to find out all the other trigonometric ratios. Use this identity. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Substitute tan theta is to square it. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So 5 equal to secant square theta means root 5 is secant theta. Cos theta is a reciprocal of this, so 1 by root 5. Correct? Next. Next use this formula. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Sin theta we have to find out. Cos theta I got 1 by root 5 equal to 2. That is given. Cross multiply, sin theta is 2 by root 5. What is cosec theta? Reciprocal of 2 by root 5? Root 5 by 2. Tan theta is given to you, so cot theta is a reciprocal half. So now I have all the ratios. Write it down separately and you will finish your sum like this. Okay. Now question number 4 is also similar, which you will be doing exactly like this. So children, for homework for this particular week, you have question number from this exercise 6.1. I have solved question numbers 1 to 5. You will complete this, and from problem set you are going to complete question numbers 1 to 4. Okay, I have discussed this MCQs with you. Question number 2 similar to the question in the exercise. 3 I have done for you. 4 is similar to this. You will complete it. Okay, the remaining prove the following, we will be doing it in the next session. Okay, now the things that I have solved, questions that I have solved, I will be uploading the images. You can refer to it and you can complete your work in the classwork. Okay, that's all for today, children. Thank you.